Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm trying something that I've never tried before, so I'm winging it. We'll see if it works. It's a recipe that I'm adapting and I'm linking you to the original recipe. This is a lemon polenta cake. So I've got 100 grams of sugar. It's caster sugar, but I've said in previous videos it's very hard to get a hold of it in some places, myself included at the moment. So this is 100 grams of granulated and I've just whizzed it in a blender to make it caster sugar. Then it's 100 mils of oil, but again you can swap that for butter and you just cream the butter and the sugar together. It's the juice of a lemon that I've got in here, but if I don't feel it's enough, I've also got some orange juice because I can add that to it too. It's not going to ruin anything. 2 eggs. Now I've got some gluten-free plain white flour, which I want to use. It's 100 grams of that. It doesn't have to be gluten-free, that's your choice. It could also be, as you'll see in the recipe that I link, it could also be almonds, ground almonds. It's going to be a teaspoon of baking powder and 90 grams of polenta. And this is how we do it. So I've lined a loaf tin and the oven's on at 180 degrees C and got my sugar here, and you would either cream butter and sugar together, but I'm using the oil. Just makes it quicker and easier. And it can also be quite hard at the moment to get butter. So we give that a little mix. And that's how quick that is. You'll obviously be longer if you have to do the creaming of the butter and the sugar together. Right, now I'm going to add in my lemon juice, but I'm going to hold off. If I need any orange juice, I'll add to it. That's again only because of the situation that we're living in, where you can't always get everything that you want. Now what I'm going to do is add in 1 egg and a little bit of flour at a time. I know that there's 100 grams of flour in this bag, so it's weighed perfectly. So we've got our first egg in and a little bit of flour. Give that a little mix. Second egg's going to go in with another little bit of flour. Second egg's in, a little bit of flour. Give it a mix. And then we're on to the last bit. So I've got the remainder of the flour and the baking powder in here. And then what I'll also do is add in the polenta. And now we're just giving it a mix. And at this point I might just add a little bit of orange juice. And then this is going to go into the oven for about 45 minutes. I always say check your oven because they all behave differently, and sometimes a recipe will actually behave differently each time that you make it. So don't always presume that you know exactly how it's going to behave, because it might surprise you. So I think I'll add in just a touch of orange juice. Don't have to, I just think I will, just to enhance the flavour. But that's it. So we'll put this into our loaf tin. And the next time you see this, hopefully it'll look good, because I've never actually made it before. Again, once in a little while I think it's good fun just to try them with you and see how they go. So I'll see you after this is cooked. Right, so here is the finished cake. I've let it cool. I had to because this is a new type of cake to me and I didn't know how it was going to react. So let's see. So look, it's a little bit more delicate, but again, when you think about it, that's because we're dealing with the polenta. So I better be a bit more gentle around the edges. I'll have to try a bit because that's stuck. Oh, very nice. So you can get the lemony taste. It does taste obviously like a sponge. And let's just cut a little bit. Oh, look at that. Very nice. So that's it there. Nice and spongy. It looks like a Madeira cake, but I know that's not what it is. I wonder if someone can let me know if cornbread, because it's made with polenta, if we're moving into that zone. But obviously this is sweet. That's really nice. So first time making it, I was prepared for it to be a disaster and I was going to share it with you, but thankfully it's a success. So there we go, that is our lemon polenta cake. As always, leave me a comment, give me any suggestions or let me know what you're making, and I'll see you again soon.